Hello, welcome to Atera. If you want to keep your car running longer and avoid expensive repairs, proper maintenance is absolutely essential. In this video, we'll go over 5 critical car maintenance tips that every car owner should know and apply in daily driving. Let's start with the engine. The engine is the heart of your vehicle, and regular oil changes are one of the most important factors for long engine life. Clean engine oil reduces friction, helps control temperature, and protects internal components from premature wear. Always follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals and make sure you're using the correct oil type for your vehicle. Next, the cooling system. Low coolant levels or neglected radiator maintenance can quickly lead to overheating and serious engine damage. Checking coolant levels regularly and paying attention to temperature warnings can save you from costly repairs. Now let's talk about transmission care. Whether your car has an automatic or manual transmission, smooth driving habits make a big difference over time. Avoid aggressive acceleration, sudden gear changes, and delayed transmission fluid service. A healthy transmission provides smoother performance and helps extend the overall lifespan of your car. Moving on to brakes and tires. Brakes are critical for safety, and worn brake pads should never be ignored. Tire pressure also plays a major role in fuel efficiency, handling, and suspension health. Keeping your tires properly inflated reduces unnecessary stress on multiple vehicle components. Finally, the battery and electrical system. Modern vehicles rely heavily on electronics, so battery health is more important than ever. Check battery connections regularly, keep terminals clean, and avoid overloading the electrical system with unnecessary accessories. These simple maintenance habits may seem small, but over time, they make a huge difference. Proper care helps your car perform better, last longer, and maintain its value. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Altera video.